In this question, we are going to calculate output of the demodulator given y of t. Okay, so the right answer for this question is D. What was the given information means modulated signal x of t is given. X of t is m of t into cos 2 pi n 2 pi. It is not n. This is 2 pi fct. The message signal is 1000 pi t. 4 cos 1000 pi t. Carrier frequency is given as 1 MHz. These are the given parameters. Okay, and what must be the signal y of t after passing through this demodulator? And demodulator using a low pass filter. Okay, and with cutoff frequency of 510 Hz. So any frequencies falling between plus 510 to minus 510 will be passed through this low pass filter, and all other frequencies are stopped by this low pass filter. So after manipulation, you have to find which frequency components are going to be less than 510, so they will become output at the y of t. Y of t will have only the frequency components which are less than 510 Hz. Okay, so we need to find out what is that frequency component which is less than 510 and that is existing at the output. Okay, so and this symbol is multiplier. Okay, multiplier. So what this multiplier is doing, input for the low pass filter, input of low pass filter will be multiplication of x of t multiplied by cos 2 pi fc plus 40 t. Next, x of t is already given, which is m of t multiplied by cos 2 pi f ct multiplied by cos 2 pi fc plus 40t. So next, you can use a formula. Okay, what is the known formula for us? Okay, so we can write in this way: 2 cos a cos b is equal to 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So what we have, cos a, think this 2 pi fct as, okay, b, and fc plus 40, whichever is bigger, think it as a. So 2 if you are taking this side, then simply this 2 can be written as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cos a plus b into cos a minus b, and always assume a as the bigger term. So fc plus 40 is going to be a, fc will be b. So you will get it as the resultant equations I can show in this way. So output of multiplier x of t into cos 2 pi fc plus 40t, this is what we have seen already. And here that 1 by t term I am writing it as m of t by 2, and cos of 2 pi times of 2 fc, fc plus fc, a plus b, fc plus fc, 2 fc plus 40. Okay, this is a plus b term, and this is a minus b term. Okay, so now already we know that one m of t is also given. M of t is 4 cos 1000 pi t. But how do you write 4 cos 1000 pi t? Always you must write with respect to frequency. If you are on right, that must be in the form of 2 pi ft. So 4 cos 2 pi 500 into t. Because 500 into 2 is 1000. That 1000 can be written as 2 pi ft form, where f of message signal frequency is 500. So where we are writing that one 2 by 4, because m of t by 2, so 4 by 2 becomes 2. 2 cos 2 pi 500t cos 2 pi 2 fc plus 40 plus cos 2 pi 40t. Same, whatever you have here, that has been reproduced. Next, again use the same formula. Okay, cos a cos b is equal to half of cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, and always choose highest as a term. Okay, so from this one, if you take these two, you have to apply once, and if you take these two, you have to apply another time. Okay, So if you observe these two, then it is 2fc plus 40 minus 500, and another term you are going to get 2fc plus 40 plus 500 from these two. If you are observing the frequency components, so this fc is 1 megahertz, that means this is 2 megahertz plus 40 minus 500, this is 2 megahertz minus 460, but 2 megahertz is very large, so it is greater than 510, so no need to go for it. Next, 2fc, that means 2 megahertz plus 40 plus 500, so this is 2 megahertz plus 540, which is also greater than a simple 510 hertz of low pass filter. Low pass filter frequency is 510 hertz. Up to 510 it passes. So, but the frequencies what you are getting is more than 510. So, this term doesn't come out of low pass filter. Next, come for the second term. That means 2 cos 2 pi 500t multiplication with cos 2 pi 40t. So from here, what are the frequency components you will get? First choose A as highest term. Now 500, A is equal to 500 and B is equal to 40. You are going with multiplication of two cos terms, and in that one the frequency of highest one is taken as A. A is equal to 500, B is equal to 40. Okay, A plus B is 540, which is greater than 510. So this also doesn't appear. 500 minus 40, that means 460, which is less than 510. So this will appear. So what is the frequency component you are going to get is 2 cos 2 pi 460 t. So this is the output of low pass filter. Output of low pass filter. When this is low pass filter output, okay, the expression given is 460 into 2 is 920. So this is our right answer. So the option is C, cos 920 pi t. Sorry, not D. The right answer is C. Right answer is C, cos 920 t. Okay, thank you.